Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est lundi le 8 octobre et c'est pour la classe de 5e période. So what did we do today? We did our warm-up, so I'm going to go to French Tutu Pre-AP, Notes and Activities. Les échauffements, oops, I forgot to put them on the webpage. Hang on. Okay. Lundi le 8 octobre, today's warm-ups were you were to answer the following questions in complete French sentences. Numéro 1, à quelle heure as-tu l'anglais? So the students were to respond with j'ai l'anglais à, and then the time. And you could have done it in the l'heure officielle, the 24-hour time, or you could have done it in regular time, but you needed to specify de l'après-midi if it was going to be after power hour. And then for à quelle heure as-tu le français, everyone should have written j'ai le français à 11h04, because everyone has, of course, the same class. And then quelle heure est-il? Everyone who answered this one, il est, and then whatever time it was at that point when I asked the question. I did take an oral practice grade, but I have not been counting them if you've been absent. But you're still responsible for at least writing them out so that I can, when I do a notebook check, you'll get a grade for that. So that is the warm-up. Okay, the next thing we did was we went over the culture activity, which was in the textbook, pages 127 to 129, and we answered those questions. So we took turns reading all about l'heure officielle, mercredi après-midi, les cours et les examens. We talked about the differences between the education system in France and the education system here in the United States. We read this together, all three paragraphs. Then we read about la Polynésie française, la francophonie. We read all of this on page 128. And then we answered these questions on exercise 5 and on exercise 6. And once we were done with that, that is all we did. That's all we had time for. So hopefully you did your culture questions already so that I can see them. Merci, au revoir, bon après-midi.